Physicians, today on your 1-minute physician vitality session, we're talking about making the time to make yourself a priority. I know you're telling your patients to do the same for them. Now it's time to start doing it for yourself. And it doesn't necessarily mean just only with your workouts. This is about finding small windows throughout your day where about 15 minutes or so where you can engage in the activities that will give you your energy back, that if you don't prioritize them, you're just simply not going to do them. So for example, it might be like reading a book that you're really into, eating alone, just taking the time to be away from people and be by yourself with your own thoughts, or even just getting outside and being outside. Or for example, you might go for a walk during a Zoom meeting. You might take the time to plan a vacation out with your spouse that's 2 to 3 months away, but you got that light at the end of the tunnel and you know that's coming and you can look forward to it. And if you're feeling really off track, maybe it's a matter of blocking off an hour or two on your weekend so where you can take that time to figure out how you can get back on track, plan out your week, and make sure that you're executing week to week rather than just kind of going by the seat of your pants and hoping that you get back on track. No matter what though, if you're not prioritizing your mental and physical health, who's going to do it? Make sure you're taking care of yourself and make sure you're scheduling the things that are going to help you take care of yourself.